Are you ready to explore the world of advanced AI with the DeepSeek-R1 model? In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to install, launch, and run DeepSeek-R1, one of the most exciting open source AI models using the Ollama framework. Let's dive in. Step 1. Download and install Ollama. The first thing we need to do is install Ollama, the framework that acts as the backbone for running the DeepSeek-R1 model. Don't worry, it's a simple process, and I'll walk you through it. Visit the Ollama website. Open your browser and go to the official Ollama website, linked in the video description. Choose your operating system. Ollama is compatible with macOS, Windows, and Linux. Select the version that matches your operating system to ensure a smooth installation process. Download the installer. Once you've chosen your OS, click the download button. The installer file should start downloading automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a moment. Run the installation. Navigate to your Downloads folder after the download is complete. Double-click the installer file to launch the setup wizard. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. The wizard will guide you step by step. Verify the installation. Once installed, open your terminal, macOS Linux, or command prompt, Windows. Type the following command. If you see the version number displayed, congratulations! Ollama is installed correctly and ready to use. Step 2. Download the DeepSeek-R1 model. Now that Ollama is up and running, it's time to download the DeepSeek-R1 model. In this tutorial, we'll use the 1.5 billion parameter version as a starting point to test and explore its capabilities. For those who want the best performance and results, I highly recommend downloading the 20 billion parameter version later on. Launch your terminal or command prompt, depending on your operating system. Press Enter to execute the command. Ollama will begin downloading the model files. This process may take a few minutes, depending on your internet connection. Step 3. Launch and test DeepSeek-R1. With the model downloaded, you're now ready to put it to the test. Let's see how it performs. In your terminal or command prompt, type the following command. This command initializes the model and opens an interactive prompt where you can start asking questions or testing its features. At the prompt, type a query to see how the model responds. For example, what color is the sky? DeepSeek-R1 will use its chain of thought reasoning to provide a thoughtful and intelligent answer. Feel free to try a variety of questions, from general knowledge to brainstorming ideas. The model's versatility makes it a powerful tool for all kinds of tasks. Congratulations! You've successfully installed and launched the DeepSeek-R1 model using Ollama. With this powerful AI tool now at your fingertips, you can unlock a world of possibilities for brainstorming, problem-solving, and creative projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like this video to show your support. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, tips, and tricks on AI tools. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.